What up YouTube? This is a quick short video on how to install these side pieces. I took them off when I was painting the car. You see it's missing, and here's the other one. I just put it on right now. Looks pretty good. It's a pretty short video today. So I don't have the clips. I broke all the clips because they're notorious for breaking. So what I did is take you to the workstation. Just grab your piece, lay it on the table. Use some 3M tape if you have 3M tape. And here is where it is. I have it right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put 3M strips right here. 2 strips there, a strip there, a strip there. Basically where all the holes are. And once you do that, you're gonna come to the car. And you see, focus. I'm trying to focus for you guys. Okay, you see this hole? We're not gonna put it in that hole. So cover that hole. Pretend the hole's not even there. This is the holes you wanna do. And make it line up with right here. This line is your guidance point. Once you do that, you're gonna get this flush fitment. If I could just focus like that. See that fitment? Looks pretty good, that fitment. I got it pretty spot on. So yeah guys, that's basically how you do it. There is no really true way to doing this unless you actually have the damn clips. Then, you know, Nissan's gonna charge an arm and a leg for those little clips. Who knows, probably 20 bucks for those clips. A pack for 4 or something. But yeah, also I just did my fuel gasket. That's pretty simple to do. No video. You could just watch my fuel pump video. That's pretty much how you do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care.